Hello everyone. 11:11 is approaching or already here, and I'm gonna do some sounds to support the portal opening. So you can go into the rest of November with more clarity, with more light support and prana, and releasing some old patterns that might still be lingering in your system and distracting you a little bit from your path. So my name is Arun. Please subscribe to my channel. I am a vocal frequency healer and channel, and what I'm doing sounds a little bit like this. So I'm basically channeling sounds, and from, well, in the brain, these sounds set you into a different brain state. So like theta waves or something like this that put you into deep relaxation state. But it's more than that. It's more than science really knows. It's sounds that come from galactic influences that I'm connected to, and it can really open up your mind field to different dimensions. There's a lot of talk about 5D, 9D, 12D, so different dimensions, and more people are living in these dimensions, and my sounds can help you to get there more easily, more quickly, or maybe for the first time at all, So just relax. It's always good to lie down or close your eyes if you feel like it, or just, sit upright, but relax and set an intention for you for the 11:11 portal, and allow the sounds and the frequencies to penetrate your system. And now I'm going to do more sounds for you. As I said, please leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. It helps me to get my work out there. And I'm also doing one-on-one sessions. So just write me in the comments or a message to sign up for those. And here we go. Tilia, katakachakam ko. Nikikeke amunia anjenele apokotokiliaya katakam chinganamukaka. Chikataki alia mono no 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 genuinia tikatiki Tikilai katakan tangan mananganay chikitikiya chikalaya nakatake omana niyaman chikatake among shikataya tiki tiliaya ningnia shikatamunga kachakamanayana ninge anialaya shikatakonko takatikiya yamunokachkohana nimani shikatiya lingni katakata yanan chikatikiya Nini alia yeshukatuko Anghan hemene ashikatakante akatako ania ya chikamukataya nana shalia Ilia kantaka tenia Ihaya mononia shikatakum ania ilia ya shikatakilia ya nanjo O ani katakeka chikatako omnaya Jum nia ya Take a deep breath, relax, feel your body, feel your breath, let go for a moment. Whoa. So just staying a little bit with what has transformed in your system, in your mind, in your emotions, in your body, in your breath. And rest, drink water, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment and let me know how you feel. I wish you the best for November, the 11/11 portal, and the rest of November 2025, or whenever you watch this video. May it be of service and of help, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions on what's happening here, what I'm doing, what I'm channeling, and I hope to see you again soon. Namaste, much love.